fucking with it. I'm seeing idiots. Oh, it's snowing. I'm just gonna watch the camera now. I'm not gonna watch the road.
The camera actually sees the road better than we do.
Bigger monitor. Bart, where's your screen? Where's the large effing screen attachment?
I don't know. I don't see the road.
What road?
Exactly.
Where we're going? Where we're going? We don't need roads. We need directions.
Where's the road? Where's the road?
What road?
Exactly.
Think I'm seeing something. Nope, that's just my glaucoma.
What?
Please God, no fucking sheep. That's a serious fucking threat, bro. Though sheep might just pile into the road and clunk.
It has happened before.
I have done it. It was good dinner that week. Bit roadkilly.
I don't see the road. There it is.
I am honestly terrified and amused at the same time.
Same here.
It dropped. There you go. Oh. Make sure the black box doesn't record my black box. That thing's not supposed to be streamed live on TV.
Let me just have to
Lick it. Lick it.
That actually works.
I know. That's the whole point of it. And no,
Now it's not moving.
now a new field of vision.
New field of vision. Mine.
Oh God. We did.
Does it have a winter mode or stuff like that?
You okay, Vicky? Why are you crying in the back? Six.
Yeah. 6 words.
2 of the day counts. Oh look, sign.
What does it say?
Ghosts. Right ahead.
Oh, ghosts ahead. Right.
I'm honestly terrified of seeing a car like flipped out somewhere. Because this is fucking bad.
Like they said, if it wasn't recorded, nobody would believe you it happened.
Turn the camera off. Is the camera even picking that fucker up?
No, not yet. I don't think.
That's a small screen, so it's hard to see.
It is extremely like a single pixel. Well, now it's not working. Nah, fuck it.
You sure there is a car? I mean, I see the light there, but
Well, it's not a fucking house because this fucker is moving.
Yeah.
it seems to be moving the same speed we are.
Nope, slower.
Oh, there it
Catching up
is.
to him.
Yeah.
Catching up real fucking good.
Alright, now I see a red blip on the screen.
Alright.
Where did I get one of these setup things?
Where do you go to?
about Amazon.
Shut up.
You know, with Amazon
Did you know with Amazon Prime you get $50 off your pro stuff? Something, and something. Well, they did say heavy snow.
Yeah, well, it's just that heavy snow. It's just annoying little bastards in my goddamn road. On my goddamn road.
Yeah.
Those two are going to be a problem. Although, like, visibility is picking up again. Never mind.
Never mind going up again.
Yep. It's like visibility, motherfucker.
Usually when we go up,
Visibility goes bye-bye.
Yep.
Yeah. Because the cold air condenses up there, but it dissipates down there, down in the valleys.
Because it's not the same dude though. That
No, this is not. I think that fucker pulled over.
Yeah.
He better have pulled over, because if not,
we would have crashed.
oh yeah.
Like absolute.
I've been thinking about
fuckers.
getting like just a permanent fixture in the car.
Yeah.
Just not like a GoPro shit. Just dash cam. As soon as the car gets turned on, it starts.
Yeah.
Only problem, I need like 250 gig goddamn USB keys. Just hit transfer like la 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 la.
Why do that when you get a 2 terabyte SSD?
Nobel-winning prize Halterlaxness. That's basically where he lived, and he was a very eccentric man. He once was working on one of his books, and the phones just kept ringing. This was back when there was one line, and whenever somebody was calling, yeah. And all right, fine. He took the phone off the hook, put it up, and went back to work. So nobody could use the phone for days. Yeah, dick. But eccentric motherfucker he is. What you looking at?
I was just wondering if it was shake-proof thingy.
Well, it's not tied properly, so might not be completely shake. Okay, we get to that locker. Yeah, don't break it.
Should be fine.
You can drop by and go check up if they have
Keys?
if they wrote in the post.
Förlåt den
True. More fun people.
True, that's true.
Klockan ringer 6. Ja, tyvärr aldrig innan det är nu rally. När vi kommer in i väg. Jag har bara fucking skåneblicka. My feet are so fucking killing me.